Guardian, I hear you overhead. I'm in a black, unmarked F-150. Suspect vehicle is directly in front of me, heading eastbound.
Guard 1, yeah, we got you right above you.
Copy. I'm going to back off a little bit and follow him for a while, if you can keep eyes on him.
Guard 1, will do. We just got weather to the southeast, so...
Hey, 10 cars are coming in the area on 248, running code. I'm going head on with them. Yep, they just passed. Alright, let's go.
Guardian 1, we'll call...
Southbound, 132nd Ave, southeast. Paul 38, I'm in pursuit, break.
Hi, copy, in pursuit, go ahead.
Speed about 71 miles an hour, traffic medium. Speed 75 miles an hour, still southbound. Well, I'll be your number 2 here in a second.
Guardian 1,
I'll call it, that works too.
Guardian 1, we can call.
Call it if you got my second. I need a marked car up here ASAP. Speed's about 80 miles an hour, still southbound, light traffic, light rain, passing southeast 259, please. Yeah. There's cars in the pursuit with us.
We have one.
Guardian 1.
Hey, those cars that just passed the intersection, move to the side. K9 can move up.
Guardian 1, we can call.
39 got stop 6, just south of you by 217. Alright, passing southeast 26 H Street, approaching the intersection. Good spike, good spike.
Hi, copy, good spike.
We're going to be heading westbound on southeast 272 Street. Guardian 1, do you have eye? We got
Guardian 1, I got
going
it.
east on 272.
Guardian 1, they're bailing out on the passenger side. There's a female in pink and the male in camouflage. Looks like they might be giving up. Both are down on the ground. Male is sitting. Female is prone out behind the black SUV. Male is sitting there waiting for contact.
Hey, give me 2 on me. I'm approaching on foot. I have eyes on the suspect.
Can somebody confirm your location?
Both are prone out on the ground with their hands behind their backs, and they're at 13207 Southeast 272. They're currently detaining the male, moving up on the female.
At 32, we're taking 2 into custody.
I copy, taking 2 into custody. Go ahead.
Taking the suspect into custody. Vehicle's clear.
I copy. And K911 said, incoming units can slow down.
And you can over the air. Hey, well, if you can get 8 seconds away, just check these guys out. Both constant breathing.
Clear enough.
County 39, can you roll the 8, please?
Clear enough.
Copy. And 6 over 2. Where'd they end up? Yeah, when we're at Kangley and 132 out southeast in the Chase Bank parking lot, sort of.